Hi and welcome back to Ash the Irish Guy. Today I'm going to be doing just a short video of showing you how to get your tachometer working. This worked for me, so it might work for you, so let's get started. So first thing you would need to do is you will need to pry this ring off. So I've already done this. There will be little clips. So as you can see, there's a little clip there that have broken off all the way around. So you have to break those off, so you will need to have to glue it back on. So that's the first step. So now you need to find yourself a screwdriver that will fit into these. So now you should be able to take this out. So just give this a very light push and then the cover comes off the back. So now you need to be very careful as you're getting into the circuit board. So all you need to do is lift this circuit board off and put it somewhere safe. Try not to put it anywhere on the carpet or anything like that. If you know about circuit boards, you know about circuit boards. So I was told that these three nuts come loose and to tighten them up by some guy, and I did that and it worked. I don't know if it sort of helps get the information from the circuit board to the tachometer itself or whatever. I'm not sure how it actually works, but this is what I did and it worked. So just tighten these three bolts and then put it back together. So I'm going to put it back together now. So all I'm going to do to stick the bezel back on is just put a light skim of glue around the ring and then just push it back together and let it sit overnight and it should be fine. So I'm not going to actually do that on camera, but that's what you need to do. So that's the end of the video now. If you liked what you see, then please give it a like. If you could give me a subscribe, that'd be great. And if you share it to a friend, it might help. Thank you.